Hi all, I'm Colin. Today I'd like to talk to you about the charge box developed by Colin Training. This is a simulated charge machine designed specifically for preparing and training people for potential animal charges, also for tactical operation training with regards to target moving either to the side or moving away from a person. What we have included in the charge box is your actual box with machine. You then have a 5-meter extension cable with on-off button. You've got 4 metal pegs. You've got your safety tyre. You've got your sled, and you've got your target stand. Okay, the first step in setting up the charge box is to place it on a flat, hard surface on your shooting range. The next step is to open the charge box, remove the 4 pegs, remove the 5-meter extension cable and on-off button, place 2 pegs in their slots, hammer them into the ground, place the safety tyre approximately 3 to 4 meters in front of the charge box, insert their safety pins, place the target frame into its slots into the sled. Now extend the 35-meter rope, place it through the safety tyre. You'll note I haven't hammered the pegs into the ground yet, as we have to align the rope correctly so that it doesn't wear on the safety tyre. Connect the rope to the sled and extend your sled to 30 meters approximately down the shooting range. It is important to align your safety tyre correctly, and once you've extended your sled, you can just maneuver the safety tyre until you see that the rope will run freely inside the safety tyre. Once you've done that, you can now hammer the pegs of the safety tyre into the ground. Once your safety tyre is securely in place, you now can move to the charge box. Here you now insert your 5-meter extension, open your charge box, and you can connect your battery. It's very important to note that the connection of the battery is the last step in the setup process. This is to ensure safety for the setup process. Your charge box is now ready to operate. Best practice is to probably let the charge box run 1 or 2 times before you start with the candidates operating on the simulated charges. Alright, now the operator positions himself in a safe position that they can monitor the charge box, the sled, and the candidate while they're busy with the exercise. To operate the charge box now, if you want the charge box to run, you depress this button. If you want the charge box to stop, you release the button. A good suggestion is to never let the sled come all the way under operation to the safety tyre. Normally it's best to actually release the button approximately 3 to 4 meters away from the safety tyre and allow the sled, the momentum of the sled, to move all the way forward to the safety tyre. This just protects the machine in the long run. You're now ready to operate the charge box. Remember, by depressing the button, the motor will be on and the sled will move towards you. By releasing the button, the sled will then come to a standstill. It's very important to note that the candidate at this stage in any simulated shooting exercise must never move in front of the safety tyre at this point.